Are you kidding me? A DIY ladder rack made from 2x4s for under $10? That can't be right, can it? So this is the short version of the ladder rack video, and it's going to be really quick. So you need a 2x4 and you need 10 wood screws that are 2.5 inches long. The 2x4 needs to be 8 feet long, and then you're ready to go. So here's how it works. First, you're going to cut a piece that's 35 inches long. This is going to be your main support. You're going to need to notch out 1.5 inches off of one side of it, and that will leave you with a 2-inch wide stake that you can drive into the stake hole of your truck. And then you're going to take and set that aside, cut you another piece that's 24 inches long, and this is your top piece. And then you're going to cut another piece out that's between 17 and 18.5 long. It's really whatever you prefer. The first ones I cut were 17, and then I didn't realize I had my fence set a little different, and these are 18.5. But no big deal. It always still fits, and it may even provide a little better support. Next thing you want is you need to make some top blocks just to keep your just a little extra safety feature to keep the ladder from going off one edge or the other. And all they are is 1.5 inches thick by 3.5 long. And I just ripped those out of a 2x4 so I get the grain direction going the right way. And lastly, you'll need a wedge. And how that wedge works is you drive it in the stake hole, or you put your main support in the stake hole, you take your wedge, drive it down until it locks this into place firmly so you don't have to worry about the wind making it rattle. And then once I've got it firmly in place, I drive brad nails in to keep it there permanently, and then you can take it in and out and always have that repeatable lock in. And that's pretty much it. That's how this works. It's really easy to do. And if you need more details, check that long version out. There'll be a description below. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the short version, please leave a comment. You can always email me at backyardwoodshop@gmail.com. And until the next time, I see you in the backyard.